So it's Metro coming to you from the Panther Creek recreation area, 3.5 miles down to the waterfall. That's about a 7-mile round trip. Looking forward to getting back on the trail and seeing some waterfalls. So let's get on it. So I'm gonna call it like I see it. Leave no trace does not mean spray painting underpass areas saying leave no trace. Leave no trace means leave it as you find it. All right, let's just get on it. Well, the difference between this trail and most trails is the fact that once you get on it, you're going straight down, which means to get back, you're going straight up. So I'm kind of like of the mindset I want to put out the effort on the front versus on the way back or whatever. About 2 miles into it, multiple camping spots. It's a shame with people that just leave their trash behind thinking, oh, I'll just burn it. That's not how you get rid of trash. Pack it in, pack it out. So about a mile or so to the waterfall. Ooh, this looks nice. Probably one of the best camp spots I've found. The Panther Creek Falls right here. Nice flat area. So it's Metro coming to you from Panther Creek Falls. Awesome waterfall. If you haven't had a chance to come check it out, it's about 2 hours to get down here, about 4 miles. It's an awesome hike, in and out. Check it out. So on our way back from Panther Creek Falls, this is a aggressive hike. Come prepared, bring lots of water, and wear the right footwear. If you're just wearing regular trail runners, you may not make it, as it is slippery. Not just going across rivers and such, but going down mountains, hills I should say. Pretty treacherous terrain. You can slip and fall. So be prepared if you go to Panther Creek Falls. So that's Metro coming to you from the end, or I guess the beginning of the trailhead at Panther Creek Falls. 3.5 miles in, 3.5 miles back. Took us a few hours to get in and out. Totally worth the trip. It is aggressive. If you're not ready for an aggressive hike, you need to stay at home because this is not the hike for you. Panther Creek Falls. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments. I do respond. Until next time, Metro on the move. See you out there.